Dito tayo ko na mo.
Hindi ko naman makukuha na dyan.
Yan guys, daming apple oh.
Yeah.
Daming apple. Parang wala nang bunga yung ibang puno. Inubos na ata ni Alvin. Halika na, Tan.
Oh, gatan.
Ito tayo. Ayan yung mga apple. Ayan, daming apple. Maganda rito kasi dito lang kami nakapark sa may puno. Itan.
Hello.
Okay.
Ano? Kami.
Huwag na, hindi naman malamig.
Hi, Daddy.
Maganda pa yung view.
Aha. Kami.
Dala natin yung ating bike. Pwede tayo mag-bike. Habang namimitas, dala natin yung bike. Kasi malayo din yan. Okay, natin.
Can you where's the knife?
It's
No,
there.
it's here.
Daddy.
It's here.
Okay, let's go. Sit down now.
Maglakad muna siguro tayo.
Tara.
Pumunta
Itong
dito
bike
sa...
Can we
Bama
get
na.
the wagon?
O di, lakad kayo. Asa kayo sa bike.
Okay.
Can we get the wagon? What? Can I eat apple in the grass?
No, don't eat the apple in the grass. You're gonna pick apple here. Oh, here.
Thank you.
Here's your apple. Ano tayo ng mukhang matamis?
Can you give me the knife?
Okay, here. Dali ito.
And then
Tingnan natin kung
tomorrow.
matamis.
Ethan. Tan. Hi.
Here,
Yung
Mama.
balatan.
Yeah, Daddy gonna
Ganyan na lang.
give you. Apple picking using bicycle.
Can I try?
Hindi kaya. Hindi ka mo. Hindi kaya mo. Saan you can't because doon yung sakyan natin. Doon tayo sa kabila doon.
Okay.
Hindi kaya.
Hindi nga kayang lakarin ito. Kaya kailangan ng car.
Teka, tikman natin yung green apple ta. Ay. Kumako ka.
Green apple?
Yeah.
Yeah, the green apple.
Where's Daddy? Green apple.
Here. Ay! Pangit yung nakuha ko. May biyak. Ayoko ng mga ganitong apple. Tapong ko na lang. Ito maganda. Tara, subukan natin. Tan, you want green apple?
Yeah, let's try everything.
Come here.
Let's see red apple.
Let's try this green one.
The dog looks yummy.
It's not yucky, this is apple.
Tamis?
That's your apple, mommy.
Oh, thank
I'm
you.
gonna give you. Meron ba siyang lalagyan? Na dinala?
Oh, nandun sa car.
Saan?
Sa car. Ang laki ng apple, oh. Nice. Tamis ba?
Anis.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Hey, it should be on top of this.
Hold it.
Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome. Uh-oh.
Where did you throw it?
Because you're gonna pick more. Yeah.
More?
Kuha pa ako.
Yeah. Dami.
Yeah.
Yung malalaki sa taas nito.
Adi, tigman natin yung ibang puno naman.
Oo naman.
Kasi, natikman na natin ito.
Yeah.
Pare-parehas ba yung...
Hindi, iba-iba to lahat. Iba-ibang variety. Taste sweet?
Sweet.
Okay.
Balik ka, try mo.
Yeah.
Dapat pala, dala tayong asin.
Meron dun sa bag.
Ay, meron ba doon? Sakyan?
Yeah. Mmm.
Tamis. Tan, not the one. Just the big one.
This?
Yes.
This one?
Okay. Go ahead.
Oh, I cut it. Huh?
You got it? Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of you over there.
What happened?
Look here.
It's apple, right?
Eve. Go over there. Go back. Go back.
Nice. Let me see. Let me see.
Apples and exits.
Dami na ako.
Dami ka na. Nakarami ka na.
Marami na ako.
Ayan. Lagay mo na ilagay dyan sa bag, tapos ibenta natin sa Jersey City.
More apples here.
Yeah, more apples here. A lot. Let's go for here.
Come on. Okay, Daddy.
Over here.
Put over there. Put inside the bag.
Maglakad ka na kasi, Tan.
Put inside the bag. Put inside the bag.
Magandang bunga.
Go here. Let's try. Magkayakap sila lahat to.
Baka may relasyon sila.
Look. Lahat to. Ha? Look. Mga
May nakita
magkakayakap.
ako.
Paghiwalayin ko na sila.
Okay, pagwala mo. Nalaglag yung ano, kasama niya.
Kahati niya. Dapat talaga dalawa sila lagi.
Tan, baba ka na. Tan, you wanna walk?
No thanks.
Ito ipakain ko kay Iton to kasi masarap ito.
Sige na, bigyan mo. Eat apple, Tan.
Amin na itong kutsilo mo.
No, it's not that.
Matamis ba yung apple dito? Matamis. Ito mo na. Ayun, maraming bunga yung puno na yun.
Kaya nga, ang liit na nagbibigay. Kumpul-kumpul sila dito. Kumpul-kumpul.
Hindi lang kunin mo dyan para makapitas tayo dun sa ibang puno.
Yeah, sige isa sa isang puno.
Daddy!
Yes.
Sige isa sa isang puno. Okay?
Okay.
Maganda sa'yo, Daddy's coming. Yeah. Daddy's coming.
Sharon! Whoa!
Dito yung bike ni Ethan. Okay.
Nice life, Tan.
Look, there's a tractor.
What is our baon today, Tan? Chicken. Okay.
And this
And biscuits. Okay.
sounds fun. I feel sleepy again.
Are you guys sleeping?
You gonna sleep?
Okay, go that way. Hi guys. Who's the best? I'm going down, look.
Is this going down?
A lot of apples over here and here. Yeah. Marami nga. Uh-huh.
Look, Tan, there's a lot of apples.
Pababa ito.
Look. Tan, you wanna pick apple?
Okay.
Here.
That's a lot.
Okay. Here's the apple.
Where's Ethan?
Oh. Let's pick a lot of apples.
Pick one.
One at a time.
Not that one. The red one.
This one?
Maybe this. Oh, yeah. This one. Oh, here. Yeah. Oh, you dropped one.
That's right.
That's it. That's
Let's play tag with us.
okay, go.
Come on. You want to play tag with Mommy and Daddy?
Okay, go.
Come on.
Go.
Good job.
Hey, where's mommy?
Coming.
Mommy. She's still there.
I'm very tired.
Hindi ka na makaakyat dyan ah. Okay, tara na. Anong oras na? Uwi na tayo. Malayo pa biyahe.
Thank you.
Almost heaven, West Virginia. The rich mountain shall undo a river. Life is so big, older than the trees, younger than the mountain, yeah, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home. Country road, all my memories gather around her. Mine is lady, stranger to blue water. A dark and dusty, painted on the sky. A misty taste of moonshine, she drop in my eye. Country road, please take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home. Country road, I hear the voices in the morning, how she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far, far away. Driving down the road, I got a feeling that I should